Stop by and take a look at the 2007 Envoy. With its powerful V8 engine, seating for up to 8, and plenty of cargo space, the Envoy is a just right compromise of space and maneuverability. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, adjustable headrests, auto express down window, power steering, AM/FM stereo with CD player, cruise control, adjustable lumbar seats. Come see the car for yourself.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.